In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Monday.com. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. If you're ready to streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful tools, just follow along and we'll have you set up in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL monday.com. Once there, click on the Login option, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to sign in using various options. In this case, choose the Google option and select the Google account that you typically use or have linked to your Monday.com workspace. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account to avoid any issues later on with access permissions. Now that you're signed into Monday.com, direct your attention to the upper right of the interface where you'll find the Marketplace option. Click on it to access the many apps and integrations available to enhance your Monday.com experience. Here, you may find yourself intrigued by the vast array of tools you can connect, but our focus today is on Docusign. In the Marketplace, there will be a search bar at the top. Click into it and type Docusign. As you start typing, the search function should promptly bring up Docusign-related results. Click on the first option that appears for Docusign. This will take you to its dedicated section within the Marketplace. Once you land on the Docusign page within the Marketplace, you'll see an option to Install App. Go ahead and click on this. Installing the app will seamlessly link your Docusign capabilities to Monday.com, allowing for a more efficient document signing process without leaving your usual workflow. After clicking Install App, you'll then be asked to choose where you want to install Docusign. You'll want to select all workspaces to ensure it's accessible across all the different projects and teams you're managing within Monday.com. If you have specific needs, you can choose a particular workspace, but for most users, all workspaces is the best choice for maximum accessibility. Finally, click on Install to confirm and proceed with the installation. After a brief moment, the integration will be set up and you're ready to start using Docusign within your Monday.com workspaces. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy the convenience of managing document signing tasks directly from your Monday.com environment, which is certain to save you time and enhance your productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.